Yeah, what's up, my people? Jonathan here again. Today we'll be looking at Exodus. Well, Exodus is one of my most preferred wallets. Okay, now this is a desktop wallet. Okay, it's a software wallet which you can easily, download and install on your PC. Okay, now you have control over your private keys and all of that. So the first thing you want to do right here is head over to www.exodus.io. Okay, once you're here, you click on download. Okay, then here you need to choose your operating system. Okay, either Windows, Mac, or Linux. Okay, so if you are using Windows, you simply click on this, or Mac, or Linux. Okay, so once you download the software, you simply open it up and install it and just go through the necessary process. It's quite easy. Just follow the prompts as they come. It's not something hard. Okay, so once you've been able to set that up, you've installed it, and you've set up your password. Okay, because you'll be accessing your wallet using a password. So once you've been able to do that, this is how it's going to look like. So you'll be able to see your portfolio, the different wallets. Okay, now with Exodus you can easily exchange coins. So you can exchange Bitcoin for Ethereum, or exchange any other coin for whichever coin you want. All right, now the first thing you want to do once you've been able to log in is set up your backup. Okay, so your backup is basically an email where they will be sending a backup, okay, your informations to, depending on the time. Okay, now another thing you have to take note of is your 12 backup phrase. Guys, I'm not going to click on this. Okay, so make sure you back up this 12-word phrase. Okay, keep it safe somewhere. Okay, like it should be your wallet bible, something that you will need to be able to access your coins anytime you want to log in using another PC. Maybe you formatted your system, you want to regain access. These are the 12 phrases. These 12 phrases are what you are going to use to be able to gain access back into your account or your wallet. Okay, another thing you will find here is here you can see the different assets. Okay, the different coins that they currently support. Here you can see Ethereum asset, which are the ERO20 tokens. Okay, so you can see them right here. So you choose the ones you want to send in here, and add them to your wallets. You can change the currency you want. Okay, your portfolio, from how you want it, from high to low, of alphabetically, depending on what you want. Then here you can find the skin. Okay, so it's quite very easy to make use of. All right, very easy to make use of. So if, for instance, you want to send a coin, you just click on send. Okay, type in or paste in the address you want here and click on send. Right here you see the fees that is being charged. Okay, the fees are quite very low now that the Lightning Network and Segwit have been added to the Bitcoin network. Okay, so take for instance, you want to send Bitcoin. Let's say, so you want to do this right here. Let's say you want to send, okay, let's say Bitcoin fees is around $2. The more Bitcoin you send in, the lesser will be the fees. All right, so, and if you want to receive, you click on receive and you find your coin, your address. You find your address right here. You just simply copy your address or send directly to the QR code by scanning the QR code. Okay, so guys, that's how easy it is to make use of Exodus. Okay, I basically use Exodus as my spending wallet. Okay, so as you can see what I have here. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. So until next time, have a great time. Bye.